Hi, it's Mark with Mark's RV and Outdoor Life. Today we moved the RV and it has been under this 30-foot shelter. It sat so long, the tires went down into the dirt. And so what we had to do, especially for the back tires, is build these two ramps. I had some extra bricks. They're laid down there. And it's we're gonna rise it up a couple inches higher than the dirt level. You can see that. And we have a backstop. We have a couple of old pieces of timber. And we're going to take some of this dirt, fill it on the edges so the bricks won't move too much. And then we're going to start it up and back it up and see if our system works.